Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use DSers with Shopify. Let's get started. So in here, you just need to click on the search bar and search in here for DSers. So in here, you can see this DSers AliExpress dropshipping. So just click on that. And then from in here, you can see that you can actually install it. So I already installed it. So just click on this button right here and it will direct you to the DSers website. So just wait for this right here to finish the loading process in order to show you the actual DSers website right here. So once you're on the website, you will be prompted to sign in or register. So just sign in or register together with your Shopify account. So in here, it will be directed to the Find Suppliers page where you can actually find some things or some products that you want to dropship. So for example, this one, I can actually head over and then click on this icon right here, which is the add to import list icon. So I'll click on that. As you can see, it will be imported. You have now the option to check or stay. So let me just head over and stay and I will add in more products. So you can just scroll down right here or you can also search in here. For example, let's search for swimsuit. And we can actually head over and search for this. And you will be able to see some more swimsuits that you can choose from to add right here. So for example, I want to add in the maternity swimwear. Click on this right here to add the import list. And then as you can see, it will show this thing right here again, which is this has been imported. So let's add one more product to our import list. So let's add this children's swimwear. Click on this add to import list. And then we can now see the pop-up that will appear right here. Now let's head over to our import list. And on this import list, we can just click on the check mark right here, which is the checkbox. We have now the 3 products. Click on this push to store. Then we have here this push product. Click on this push to stores right here. And then in here, this will actually push your products to store. You can see in here the status. The 3 products is now down to 2. And if you can see that we have successfully pushed product but failed to push one, we should be able to make sure to push one more again. So click on this check status, and as you can see, this one is not pushed. So let's try to push it manually. So let's click on this again. Click on push to store. Click on push to store in here again. And in here, one product will be pushed. So let's just wait for this right here to finish the pushing process. So once it's been pushed, as you can see, there's some reason why it's not pushed. This because this product contains more than 100 SKUs. So you can split the product to several products with less variation. Try again. So you can edit it out as well by clicking on this tag management and this end product name. So when you head over to your store, you can refresh your product page. And once you have refreshed on that, you should be able to see the products that we have imported using our DSers. So let's scroll down and look for those products. This is the first product, which is the maternity swimwear. And this is the second product, which is the halter bikini. So as you can see, this has been added and the customers on my store should be able to actually buy this product from me directly. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.